some ice poles today. One for the kids and one for the grown-ups. For the kids, you'll need some mango pulp, a handful of frozen mango chunks, a banana, some water, and optional, some superfood seeds. We've got some flax seeds here today. For the grown-ups, we're going to use a double shot of white rum. We're going to use some sugar syrup, some crushed ice, some mango, passion fruit, and a sprig of mint. We're also going to need some ice pole moulds. We'll link that down below. Put all of the ingredients into the blender except the water. Everything's now in the blender, so we're going to put the lid on now and give it a quick whiz. So obviously this is quite thick now, so we're going to add some of the water to thin it out a bit. Okay, now give it another whiz. Okay, so after it's been mixing for about 30 seconds, it's ready to fill the ice pole mold. Now we're going to fill the molds. These ones are resealable and they've also got a max full level. If you haven't got molds like this, just be mindful to save a space at the top so that they don't expand too much. Okay, so we have for the funnel in the mold, and we're going to simply pour the smoothie into it until it reaches the max level. Okay, fill to the max level and then seal it. And just repeat this until all the mixture is gone. When all the molds have been filled, put them in the freezer for about 4 hours. These ice poles can stay in the freezer for about 4 weeks. We're now going to make the ice poles for the grown-ups. I've taken the passion fruit out of the shells and I've chopped up the mango, and we're going to put all of the ingredients into the blender. Sugar syrup, white rum, and the mint. So once everything is in there, we're going to give it a quick whiz. Okay, this is ready now. What you're looking for is a mixture that's similar to the consistency of a frozen slushie. You might want to taste it first. Feel free to add more alcohol if that's your taste, but be conscious that it will need to freeze. It's now ready to pour into the molds. So we're going to fill the mold until it reaches the max level, and then we're going to seal, and then just keep repeating until all the mixture is gone. So the ice poles are ready to be frozen for about 4 hours. They should keep for about 4 weeks.